kind of in the swing of things, and it'll be all tiny. You know, it'll be funny.
There it is.
Oh my gosh, that's the 100th sneeze.
Oh,
I don't know how to feel right now.
congratulations, Raphael!
How does it feel to sneeze 100 times within 3 months?
Well, I feel like now I'm so famous. Everyone knows me. Knows me. Everyone knows me for my sneezing. And now I'm very famous, well known for my sneezing.
Oh no, it seems Ruffy that all the sneezes have gone to her head.
It's gone to my head. They've gone to my sinuses. Everyone knows me for my sinuses. Yes.
Thank you, #1 sneezer Moco-chan.
Thank you, Raphael. Thank you for the rainbow. I think that I will likely continue my sneeze record, whether I want to or not.
We look forward to it, Moco-chan. We look forward to it.